this is Winnie here with another video for you guys. So this video is how to make slime. So make sure you like this video, subscribe down below, and turn the bell on so you don't miss any videos that I make. So the ingredients and stuff that you will need is you need a bowl. You also need a spoon. You also need shaving foam. You also need the color that you want. It's optional, but you don't have to. You also need lotion. You need to have the activator. And last but not least, you need the glue. So first step is pouring in the glue. You don't want a lot or it won't turn out the way you want. So here's the glue. Okay, next is the shaving foam. You don't have to put in shaving foam if you don't want, but it is how you make fluffy slime. This is not fluffy slime, but just how I sometimes do this slime. So next is the color. So I'm going to use pink and blue for my slime. Kind of a 4th of July slime, but just pink and blue. Here's the slime so far. And last but not least is the lotion. You can put how much you want. Now you stir. So it's kind of a 4th of July color. So you keep mixing in the slime. Takes a long time, but you know. Okay, maybe I pour a little bit more glue just to be safe. Now, the last and final step is the activator. You don't want to put a lot in. It will ruin it. So now you stir it till it's the slime that you want. So now, when it's a product that you need, you can start mixing it with your hands. This is the part that takes forever. Okay. And you keep mixing it in. Oh my goodness. Now it is slime. So maybe it's not the product I want, but it's slime. So that was today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys on the next video. Bye guys!